To enable the color filter feature from the quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to add the color filter icon to the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap the pencil icon at the top right, and then tap edit button below the full quick panel thumbnail. Under available button section, tap color filter to add it to your quick panel. Tap done button to save the change. Once done, open the quick panel by swiping down the top of the screen by using two fingers. Find the color filter icon. And then you can tap this icon to quickly enable or disable the color filter feature. When the color filter feature is on, your phone will add the selected color filter, in this case red, with a specified opacity level over the entire screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.